Even if someone was over there mining their ass off, it wouldn't matter to me. Oh, hey, what's up?
I'm streaming, by the way. Boop.
Sorry, I was talking to someone in IRL. What's up?
Nothing. I'm just
Oh,
starting cutting with the bagger.
thank you. Uh, I just lost a nipple. What did I do with the jaw crusher? For fuck's sakes.
Fuck's sakes. I'm streaming, by the way.
I don't even know what the rules are in streaming. It's one of the
Just don't say anything heinous.
heinous.
Anything someone will punch you in the mouth for.
That's a very like broad rule. Okay, is he co-strainer?
But I mean,
I
it
know I
works.
had one. That's or I actually yeah. It's actually the more I think about it, the better off that rule actually makes sense. Did I accidentally sell the jaw crusher maybe, or did I not have one? Maybe that was the problem. It's another reason why I wanted to build this because I built it while I was sleep fucked, and I'm just like, and there's a good chance there's missing stuff.
It's fine.
Considering me and you did like fucking almost 3 days of just constant.
Build. Yeah, knock that top off a little bit.
And we don't need the dirt from this factory, correct?
No.
Okay.
No,
I
we
figured I'd check
we
because I'm working
generate
on.
enough fill from just our loader operations that it's fine.
If they need that much fill, they fucked up. That's all I'm saying.
I mean, don't get me wrong. I want to have a copious amount of fill on demand in case like we ever decide like, hey, we're gonna build a dirt bridge. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This thing is just chooching this fucking mountain away.
Oh, it works, man. It puts in the
Oh,
work for sure.
this is it. Or 38 million, fucking better.
I mean, offset left. I mean, offset right.
I don't know why I put a GPS on this thing, but
I had a GPS on it, so I could kind of figure out. I could set the height and then like kind of hold onto the line and try to keep yourself from dumping in, scratching the ground too badly. But whether or not that worked,
yeah, I just said 0 on it.
let's try to keep myself from going too deep.
Cause I'm in too deep, and I'm in too deep, and I'm in too deep. I'm in. It's not the actual words of the
I'm
song.
I'm I'm worried. I'm worried about you at this point in time. You just
Yeah, I'm a little fucked.
like when I get you a rabies shot. Need that, and I need the water refinery. I don't know if all the water needs to be refined, but I've just been refining it all anyway.
Yeah, fucking might as well.
That's gonna have to be built there. So I think it's the floater that needs the purified water. Pipe left. On pipe right. Actually, I need a 2 meter straight first. The only thing I didn't do on my little test game is fucking pipe everything. I'm just like, that's easy. Honestly, if the other system were kind of like the pipe system did, it would be very fucking cinched just to fucking run these conveyors. Alright, I
And we go
need
back and forth and back and forth. The only thing I don't
well,
like about the bagger, there's no audio to it while you're doing this.
yeah.
Fucking bugs the shit out of me.
I'm sure somebody will get on here and get addicted to it. We won't have to. Your other buddy seemed to like fucking playing with it.
Sean?
Yeah, he was in there for.
Yeah, Sean likes running it. I don't know what it is with him. He's weird.
He ran it for like what, like fucking 3 hours the other day. Like,
Yeah, he ran it for a good bit. I feel bad. So what I think we're gonna start doing is that like, hey, listen, run it as long as you want, but like every time you have to move, that's a break point, right? Hop out, leave it for 30 minutes, go do something, and then hop back in. Let it clear out so that you can reposition the hoppers. You know,
yeah.
I don't like keeping people in one thing for too long because that's how you get bored. And
Yep,
also,
yep, yep,
if
yep, yep.
if you know you hop out 30 minutes later, fucking someone else hops in. They run it for 30 minutes, then they hop out 30 minutes later. You hop back in. Just tag team the fucker.
And then I need to go up 4. There's a box in my fucking way. Oh, there's the jaw crusher. That's why I fucking could find it. That's the wrong up 4. That's what's going on too. And then I need the coal screener. No, this is gonna output tailings. It's fine. Uh,
L.
and then this is gonna go to a sell point. All right. Ugh. I'm like, why won't this snap, motherfucker? It'll make me snap. 4 meters straight. I'm feeling it's gonna have to be a 2 meter straight, not a 4 meter straight, but fuck it. Yeah, that's not lined up. You know what? I got a whole bunch of offsets. Why don't I just use one of the offsets to offset right and then line them both up, and then I got more room to build everything else. And this gotta go down to 4. And then I need a merger. And I think that's gotta go. I think it's an 8. I think at this point I'd be like really good at just looking at it and be like, oh, that's an 8.
Yeah, no, not yet. No, no, no.
I'm a little too dumb for that, man. Let's see. Yeah, right now I have everything filtered out, and literally I'm taking up like a third of the fucking building. Not even that, like less than a third of the building.
Yeah, keep that building tall though, in case like
Oh no, I'm not changing the size of the building. That fucking ever. That's the way it's gonna be.
Yeah. So our idea yesterday was that if anybody wants to test anything out, you can always do it in the other half of the building.
And then I need to go find the smelter. I had a bunch of extra stuff in here now. And then I just need the bar roller. I'm pretty happy with how much smaller I made this fucking factory. Actually, if I put an elbow here, I can make it even smaller.
I'm trying to do this all in one hand here.
I don't know if I need 2 conveyor belts on the end, but I've been doing that. Or 2 hoppers at the end, but I'll do a small sale just to get this shit out of my way. Alright, double check my work. Alright, goes in through there. Sorts the rocks out, sorts the dirt out. dirt goes into the wash plant, then goes in and gets the dirt taken out. That comes back around. That should just be ore that goes into the high temperature furnace. Rocks get crushed. Rocks gets turned into fucking ore, and then out and around. High temperature furnace, doop doop, fire roller, done. Coal's not going anywhere right now. That's fine though. That's gonna go into.
Yeah, coal needs to store and then go into the coal furnaces.
Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna power this place from coal. I think
Oh, go ahead.
I'm gonna get rid of the windmills on the roof because, like you said, they're fuck ugly if I don't say so.
Well, the whole intent is that you have them. Windmills aren't supposed to be on the roof. That's the point.
There's no. Well, you want them up high, right? So you'd probably want to build them on the roof to begin with.
Top of a mountain and then use the power poles to fucking bring it down.
Why are you connecting to the wrong side? I need a splitter, not a merger. That's why.
Dude, it's like every swipe I have to reposition the fucking bagger and bring it in fucking closer.
Is it rotating or is it just because of the?
No, it's because it's just such a big fucking bucket. And it's such a little ass fucking mountain that we're digging into. Like, once we dig back far enough that we hit this other mountain, dude, this thing's gonna fucking eat.
All right. Well, this is going to be the power section for the. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is gonna be for the plant itself, and the other one's gonna be for the.
No, we do have to do.
What's up?
We have to get rid of all this top grass for the bagger. So that when we have, like, whenever we have multiple people on here, the bagger can run with the least amount of lag.
You're gonna go commit another terrorism.
I don't know.
Ah, fuck. The coal fucking plant is gonna stick out the goddamn back wall. Fucking hate them. Alright, well, let me go take a look. Let me go take a look. So there's a coal plant there and a coal plant here. And the worst part is the 3 is not any smaller than the 4. Or than the 5. Or the 4, actually. If I move it around the corner, I'm gonna have to run more fucking pipes. Will this keep it from sticking out of the building? Actually, if I move everything back a little bit, I'll be alright. That's an 8. If I put a 6 there. Actually, I can drop that down to. Actually, why can't I just put this here? Perfect. How much power is this factory going to require now? That's just the question. Well, that explains where the 10x came from that I was wondering how I got. No, so it only needs one, and then the other one can run the conveyor line.
Conveyors are gonna have to get moved up here soon. I should probably stop here.
Yeah, well, this will give that
Oh,
conveyor
this
line
isn't
more
even running.
power. Wait, oh yeah, no, I tore the power system off of it, that's why.
Well, I have 214 million cubic loads waiting to run.
We always know you have a big load for me, Joey. I mean,
For Joey?
Joey, I know you always got a full load for me, Joey.
Who the
If
fuck
that
is
is your real name,
Joey?
Joey. I've been cheating on you with another Italian son.
You whore.
He's the only one willing to get in there deep and just plunge my depths.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I'm sorry.
Sick bastard.
Oh, you bring the worst out on me.
That's right.
Uh, like you said, this server's gonna be run like a firehouse. I don't need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. I need a left pipe.
Yeah, I just want, maybe we should do that as well. Once this conveyor clears, I'll do that.
All right, I'll hook it right up right quick here. Just give me a sec here. I'll run the
Yeah, no,
power
I'm
for
gonna reposition and redo the conveyor because it needs to go down deeper.
That's what she said, and I punched her in the throat.
Jesus fuck.
I think that's the conveyor line that goes to that one. Because I think water only makes the coal plants run more efficient. I don't think it makes them. It's not required. There will be water when I'm done. I'm just running the water now.
I mean, we want it to run more efficient, so.
Yeah. I don't even know if I have the coal in here to get that going right now. Oh, I do. I have fucking tons of coal.
I was about to say you should.
Yeah, but I did a mini cell when I started. Because I had.
Can you,
These should have power in the conveyors now, right?
Negative.
Alright, what's that wire hooked to? That
Yeah.
wire is hooked to the other one, that's why.
They get dead conveyors.
Oh, it's because that was running off the coal power plants. Okay. So that's what the third power system's for. Okay. I get it. What did I fucking do that for? Okay, I'm gonna delete those and redo them.
I'm gonna start blasting out a new tunnel.
You do you, boo-boo. I'll come help you in a minute.
Well, you just gotta get. What is this, like 20 fucking feet down? Yeah, you
You
know
need to go
what?
deeper?
I'm gonna have to wait for you because I need you as your name line as the guideline for me to blast it down. So I guess I'm just gonna have to wait for you.
Is it something that's gonna take a minute, or is it something that's gonna take an hour?
It's gonna be a minute.
Alright, so let me run this power line right quick, and...
Yeah, all I'm doing is blasting down and blasting out.
Yeah, I just want to get that conveyor line running so it starts emptying.
Yep.
Alright, is it running now?
No.
Oh, did I forget to turn that power on? That's gonna be deleted. All right, 42,000 watts is not enough to run that one. That's what's going on, I bet, yeah. Yeah, it's 47.
It's running.
Yep.
Yeah, it's running.
I thought it was going to instantly turn on when I connected the power at first, too, is the other thing. So I need power for this factory, and I need power for the other conveyor line. And that's it.
Shit.
You're
Shit.
pretty much... You
Look what
can't
we
go
hit.
straight down.
Look what we hit.
Yeah, I know, that's down there.
Mm-hmm.
I checked... Remember, I blew a hole over here.
I can't do those ups.
Well, those are ups, not downs.
Oh, yeah.
I know, you did. You thought the same thing I did. And that's why I dug a hole. If you dig to your right... If you dig south just a little bit, you'll see that I did the same thing.
No, conveyor elevator, which is stupid. What about doing a drop shoot?
That's what I was talking about, but then you said no.
I would never say
Because
that.
what I was gonna do is level this off, right? Level this off, put a hopper underneath the ground, and then we'll just put a chute up there.
Yeah, but isn't that gonna generate us lag too?
I don't. It hasn't been, has it?
Yeah, I think on the last server it was. Oh fuck.
No, I
But
think that
we
was because
live down
Reggie
here
is
now.
always. I think that was because Reggie's always fucking with dirt.
Yeah, there's also that. We live down here now.
You know what they say? I ain't doing this. I'm fucking out. I don't even have
I'm
a
tired of this
pickaxe.
shit, Grandpa. Let's shoot him in. You keep digging.
I don't know how to save myself. No,
Ooh,
legitimately, I do not know how
ooh.
to use the save thing.
So it's gonna eat up a huge portion of area. I have an idea. Hold on. Hold on. Big fucking brain here. So you do... I'm so smart.
You are actually, surprisingly.
Go fuck yourself. I'm so smart.
Yeah, surprisingly.
How do you use less area?
I don't know. I use a lot of area.
But, like, here's my thing. How do you use less area and go straight down? Come to me.
Use up your footprint to go down.
Nope.
So you could do like a left and then go up underneath the hopper.
Come to me.
Or two lefts and then go. All
No, I
right,
meant,
I'm on my way
I
again.
meant sexually, not physically. No, I'm kidding.
I'll come to you, eh? Feel like, can you send me some feet pics? Like, I don't know. I might need a few other ones.
Got you.
Where is my truck at? I can never find my. Oh, there it is.
I can never find my drug. Oh. I just keep it in my inventory.
Dude, I don't even have a pickaxe in my inventory right now. That's how fucked my inventory's been.
Get your bitch ass over here, honky.
I tried messing around earlier to see if I could shift into 8th gear.
I'm gonna fuck with this conveyor system. I hope you realize that.
That's fun. I'd let it empty a little bit before fucking with
Oh
it too
yeah,
hard.
no,
But
I'm gonna. I
you're gonna do that. Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can always build blocks around it and building into like, the upper part into like a little hut.
No, we're not gonna put blocks around it.
Why aren't you building it here instead
I'm
of over
gonna.
there?
I'm gonna.
Okay,
I'm just building it here as a demonstration kind of deal.
that's a good idea.
And to be honest, I
Oh,
may or may not have forgotten to bring your hoppers up. So I'm gonna put the hoppers forward
yeah,
once they're unloaded. Hoppers are gonna go forward. Move up so for progression of the bagger. Take the
yeah.
hoppers in the rear out. I'll put those to the front. And then put the progression forward, and then dig the trench at depth, and then like get my depth, and then fucking do everything else. I'm just gonna blast the whole thing out. I'm not digging it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get this done quickly because until I set this up, I'm not putting any fuel in the system. So we have the coal that I threw in there, and that's it.
Oh, alright. Is the system running right now, like fully?
I just gotta
I will
build
say it has a lot
the.
of backlog to go through, so
I have to build the power system for the factory and the other conveyor line.
yeah. All I'm saying is that system's fucking full right now, dude. It's got 214 million cubic meters going through it.
Yeah, it's pumping it up here somewhere. All right, so that's all connected. That's connected. That's connected. Yeah, that one conveyor line is basically using two coal furnaces to run by itself. That's how fucking expensive that conveyor line is.
Good. I want
I mean,
like I want a little bit of struggle. Like, hey, we need to get coal. Like, if we don't have
well,
coal, our shit is fucked.
the problem is if you go over 54, you're gonna detonate a power wire in here.
What do you mean? So if I add
54
another hopper,
kilowatt, 54,000 kilowatts is
good.
like the maximum power that we can push through a power line.
Okay.
And
How
even
much
if we
was a?
double up, it's not gonna work because it
What are
will
we at
just
now?
fucking.
I just fell in my hole.
You're at 47.
Oh, we're fine.
I'm not sure what each of those coppers cost, but I do know things like sorters and things like that take a lot more power than you expect. Worst case scenario, I can always add like a buffer in the middle.
Yeah.
So the conveyor lines are split. How much power does this one over here take? That's the question.
Well,
Okay, the
that
other
empties. I'm
one.
fixing this other conveyor system.
All right.
Mm,
So this goes down to there. All I do is finish running the water. Turn this one on. Oh, I can't turn that one on. It's no fuel. All right. And then this one is the one powering the plant. Actually, I'm just gonna replace that with a 2 meter and a power thing. And this is the 2 meter.
Hey, are both these running off the same power system? Both these conveyors out here?
No. One is running off the one for that solar panels.
Yeah, but this conveyor I'm standing on, that's coming into plant 1, right? Not plant 2?
The one that goes to the the one that's the hoppers up there that they've been dumping in goes to plant one. Which one's plant one?
My plant.
Yeah, your plant. And the
Yeah.
one we just made goes
I
to
gave
plant.
you a map. Okay? See, no one appreciates my work. I'm not appreciating you.
In my defense,
I'm dyslexic.
it's totally what I was gonna say. Oh, the worst part is it's not even it's not even a lie.
Okay. Why you bully?
Oh,
Nah, you mother's a whore.
I need a 4 here. Fuck, I hate doing piping. And that's actually needs to be 6. The other thing to do is to try to make sure that you don't put any like 1s in as much as possible. Put the longest variable that you can.
I'm putting 8s in the whole way.
Yeah. I think that's how they punish you for using a whole bunch of 1s.
It's like, what the fuck was that? Fucking tree fell.
If a tree falls near him, what is gonna happen? He is gonna yell at it and fucking chase it down. It best not happen around him. God damn it. Okay. This is gonna be a 4. That's what's gonna happen. Because if it's not a 4, I can't put a splitter here. Because God forbid they make the other style splitter for any fucking thing. What I do to another man for the fucking other style splitter or another style, not splitter, but the other style merger, where it merges from the side instead of going up the side. Because half the reason why shit ends up getting all fucking convoluted is because of that. I need a left, that's what's going on. And then this is going to be a splitter. Hope G gets on tonight, that'd be fun.
Yeah, that'd be cool. He said he
We've
might.
been busy. Oh, did you speak to him last night?
Yeah, he hopped on for like an hour.
Yeah, before I fell asleep, I checked a bunch of times. I was like, if G pops on, I'm gonna pop back on for a minute. Uh, all right, that should have water. Oh, fuck, I'm missing water in one thing now still. Well, that's gonna be a splitter now. All right, 6, 8. Was 6 reach there? No, 6 goes back into a machine. If I was building this on my own server, just to give you an idea of one of the reasons why I'm happy I'm playing on a multiplayer server, I would legitimately just ran this water line through that fucking machine.
Terraform.
Would not even bother me. It would just be how it was ran.
I need a left.
You don't. I need the exact opposite of that. Want to trade? Uh,
Need downs.
left. You have downs. What are you talking about?
It's fucked. The fuck? Is that an up? It is an up. You motherfucker.
What the hell, man? All right, so I have 4 power plants connected with water. Of the actual power system connected. So all I need to do is buy some coal temporarily. Or I'll just steal some coal out of this one, that's what I'll do. Because it should get coal almost immediately. And then he said, let there be power! Actually, there might be a way to put more power into a conveyor system than you can anything else.
Why are there solar panels down here?
We do not ask questions of what I did while I was tired. Just let it be known. I would have been better off sleeping down there than doing work. Oh. You gotta come see how much less of a rat's nest this is. Alright.
Oh wait, is this what's powering this fucking line? Oh.
One of the lines, probably.
Why are we using mergers to power the lines?
Let me take a look. It's to put the,
Power unit?
out. Yeah, because the 10 times you have to put on the end. The straight-ons you can put straight. That's why there's a merger doing that. I remember doing this. That was ridiculous. Yeah, that's the only reason there's a merger on here. I'll help you in a second. Tear all this out.
No, hold on.
I feel like I'm gonna have to build an expanded coal power plant at this point. We should just pump all the coal from both lines into
The 10
conveyor
times I have to
belt.
put on the end?
Yeah, you can put it at the hopper if you want. I just put a straight through power, like put a 2 straight and a 6. and then connect the power line to it. And then at the end, you can just put the
Why
10
can't we
times
use power generator?
power generator, because power generator requires oil. I think refined oil.
No, we don't find oil.
We can't make generator fuel, I don't think.
Yes, we can.
What, you can?
Yes, you have to have an oil plant, so that means that we have to go back into oil. Purely for generator fuel. That's all.
Does that mean we could build like a power plant and then like, oh shit, I didn't even know we could do that. That might be fun. We could build a power plant here and then use that to power all these extra conveyors.
Mm-hmm. But, alright, power input 10x. So, what I'll do is I'll do this as a 4 merger. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, there's only 128 cubic meters in here right now. We'll be good. 128 million cubic meters, I mean. Why am I not getting any? Oh yeah, we won't get metal because we're not mining metal.
Why won't it let me build onto this? Oh my god, every fucking where I hate that they made this the same button. Why can't
Oh,
I?
the jump and the place and the yeah.
Did I fuck up? Is this not the right way? No, that has to go there. Okay. Oh now. This is gonna have a wonky little fucking turn to it, but whatever.
Cool. Coal is going into the power plant now. That's good. It should be good. All right. What else has to happen? Nope. All the power is handled in this building. I wish they did the same thing Satisfactory did, where you can just like, I think there's actually like a cosmetic block that produces smoke, so you can build smokestacks and stuff. I didn't realize how annoying it was to not be able to jump like fucking 4 tiles high until I was playing on my single player game and I can only jump 2.
And can I connect all these generators together into one? No, right?
I think that's what they needed in order to power that line. I'm not sure. I'd have to come over and look one sec.
Hold on. I'm on it. I got it.
You'd have to look at the 10x that you put down to see how much power you require there. Yeah, you need 3,500, which would be about that. 14. I don't know. That might not be enough power anymore.
Why won't it let me connect to that?
Oh, you need all 5 of these. That's what it is. So if I throw like some blasted rock and let's throw some iron ore in there just to experiment right quick. Did I forget to turn you back on?
Why won't this fucking go?
I'll be right back.
Seven, 14. 14. I don't have enough power. Oh, there's another one I wasn't seeing.
I just came up with a thought.
No go.
You know how those are single power, like the ones that you can put on the conveyor lines?
Yeah.
Well, I only the power poles are what explode, right? When you put too much power through them.
What the fuck? Hold on. I need 6 of these to power this.
How come the power requirements went up
Oh.
so high?
Duh. Hold on. No, I'm being stupid. Why isn't this allowing me to attach to this now?
Oh, because you have 5 out of 5 connected. You need 2 power posts to make this work. Here.
Oh, I see. I got it.
If I
Let me
click on...
me
Oh, okay. Next time you have that problem, click on one of these and remove the cables from one of the solar panels instead of the entire system.
No. Hold on.
Yeah, so just make sure you connect like these 3 to that one, these 2 to the middle, and then...
Well, no, because it's a 1-to-1. So I have to do 4.
Yeah, there's 2 power posts there for you now.
Yeah, no, I got it. Watch. So then this one is going to connect to this one. And then that one is going to tag onto that as well. And then these are all going to go to that one there. Power set. It's still not turning on.
1 sec. You have 3,700. Let's see. 700, 700. 700.
700. That's what, 2,800 plus 700. Oh, I don't have enough.
I have an idea.
Hold on.
That's
I think
actually
it's an
gonna
easy
be...
fix.
Yeah, one more power pole, yeah. But you got the power poles now, so it's not that big of a deal.
There it goes.
There you
It just needed one more solar panel.
go.
So I have 2 going to that left pylon, 3 going to the right connection,
Yeah.
and then 1 line going in line.
Oh, I have an idea to fix the fucking issue I have. Alright.
Alright, I'm going to be breaking this one down. No, fucker. Yoop.
You just piped it over there, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, so this should all be piped over yonder now. Yep. And then now I'm gonna sell all this cable and conveyor and bullshit. And then I'm gonna go into factory production. Dump decks. Nope, not dump decks. Sell. Building. Steel.
How much material do the large hoppers move?
Good amount.
60 meters per second. Twice the material.
Fucker!
What's wrong?
No, I just broke something I didn't want to break.
Do you want to just put steel floors over it? I got steel floors.
Nope. I'm gonna leave it open. So you get so it kind of looks like the conveyor's just going through the bridge. The little
I like that. Yep.
See,
Yep.
like that.
So what I'm thinking about doing is I'm gonna use one of these here, and then
I really hate the building mechanic in this fucking game.
it really is
Oh
fucked
my
up.
god! Let me fucking place where I want it to place. Like, come on, dude.
Maybe it's a straight 4 I need. I'm not sure. Let me just try the prototype of this thing. Oh, that's not fucking right. One of those. I need straight. I need one of these? Question mark. Do you have any up 6s on you?
No.
All right, so that should be a 6. That's what that should be. Let's think about doing that over there next time. That's the most compact setup I can think of to turn these fucking double hoppers into a single hopper. I'm just
What?
wondering how fast. I'm wondering if these will clean out faster. So we'll only have one hopper with fucking 300,000 tons of shit in it instead of having.
Why does it need to be connected on both ends? Oh.
Because if you don't, it will fucking just drop dirt there, I think.
Why is it just?
You know,
Does this move more dirt?
that was what I was wondering. Because if I
Oh,
do
let me see.
this, do you have anything on you that power things?
No. So this moves conveyor speed 60 milliseconds.
I didn't buy any of this. This is stuff I have on me, just so you know.
And
Oh,
this is 30. But what about
with a 10x on it was what I was wondering. Because that'd be 600 per second, right? Instead of
hold on, whoa. What if you just why can't you just put these two shoulder to shoulder? Because this one looks like it's backwards. This one looks like it's forwards.
this one's a double, one's a single.
Oh well, why are we doing that?
Because I was wondering, because if you
just
do
take
that, what happens? I think if you throw shit in here, it will pour out here.
But if I put that there, I put that there, and that there, and that there. Those are all connected.
Yeah, but you have a double output. So I was trying to show you what the problem is. So
If
if
I
you do
have a
this,
yeah, but if I have a double output, that's okay. Then I could just do
yeah, but see this? Consume. See that? That's the problem with the double output.
yes, I see that. So, but if move your fucking car. So it's outputting this way, right?
Yeah,
So if I go,
that's why I was thinking about doing the one hopper to try to make it into a one line. Oh, shifting the gear. There we go. I can't even drive keyboard and mouse because I don't have the I think that's the right size, right?
Nope.
It needs to be
Let me
two, eh?
just let me do it.
It wants to place the wrong direction, doesn't it? Do you want me to show you the trick I use?
Give me a second.
Oh, there's another problem with this setup that you're not thinking of.
What?
So you're gonna have 300 going this way, right? 300 going this way. And then all of a sudden it's gonna land on this belt, and what's gonna happen to this belt?
Backloaded?
It's gonna be overloaded.
Yeah.
So it's not gonna work.
Unless we
But
just run 2 conveyors and split the plants.
well, I have an idea how to fix this. One sec. Put this there. Put oh that one's not gonna that's not gonna fit. 'Cause if you put
Nope, not what I meant to do. Took a screenshot.
do you have a 2? There we go. 2. There we go. 2. And then merger. I need a right. And then the fucking merger on here without fucking wanting to murder myself.
I mean, no matter what, it's gonna backload.
No, I got a solution for it. Then you put fucking move the merger off the fucking toolbar. I need that toolbar. There. Ah, fuck. I just got the merger placed. Ugh.
But even I see what you're gonna do. You're gonna drop a chute onto it, right?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. You could put a chute there and then a hopper underneath that. But it's still gonna have the same issue.
Yeah. So no matter what,
Ah,
using these, you're gonna have backload.
well, that's why I was thinking of doing.
The issue that we're running into is that the building materials were just kind of thrown in. There is no way to properly do this.
That's why I was thinking this method actually works. This is the cleanest method.
At the end, maybe. Yeah.
Like that's the cleanest way to do this. There's like I can't think of any other way to do it.
So the only thing I see with this is that this would have to be the end hopper.
Yeah. And I want it to go the other direction is the other problem. And it's not possible.
What do you mean?
I want this hopper, I want everything to be pushing this way. Because as you're working and you're moving, when you stop filling this hopper, I want this hopper to empty out into this hopper. So that when you come back to like clean this up, this hopper's empty. These hoppers might be full, but you could shrink the line. Of course, you could always just build it with a. You could always move this. No, you can't move this because it would be fucking full of more material than the other ones. Such a pain in the ass.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't think the actual like material we have to build with is like he needs to release a couple updates before this is effective. You know what I mean? Like efficient,
Yeah.
I should say.
I like this way better than the old shoot system
There
that they
should
used to
be.
have, though.
I mean, yeah, but there should be a lot more conveyor belts, different types of conveyor belts. There should be bigger conveyor belts, like
Yeah, realistically, this
one
should
the
be a
size of
double
a
conveyor
fucking
system.
hopper.
Yeah.
Like you're working on a mine. There's big ass fucking conveyors for a reason to move
Yeah.
material. Hoppers should be bigger, more plentiful, like different types again. There should be different
But
types of power units. There should be like a way to set up a whole power grid. There needs to be more pylons to actually do proper wattage and loads.
that's another thing I was thinking, is I was wondering
Like
if you
he's
were
got a lot
to.
to work on.
Actually, I want to try this right quick.
Now this is empty. I could finally do this.
My question is, if I do, what is that thing called? If I do that and then load this with fucking stupid amounts of power, instead of having, if I had each power source connected to one of these, would it actually make the power supply invincible and able to push past the 5,000 limit or not? Was my question.
You know what you do? Oh,
Shut up and go to sleep. Is that
oh
what you're
no
saying?
no no no. Let me see. That was
No,
power
basically, it was just
mines, right?
this. I'm just wondering if you do this, and then instead of connecting to a power post, you just, set up your power supply and then run,
We can
each
go test it
individual one of these.
down at the training ground, but let me let me finish what I want to do, and we can go
Yeah.
do that. I
I'm
want
just
to
wondering if
build
that means that we could push, the full current.
because so that's the thing. I can't. Let me finish the conveyor for
Yeah.
this the way I wanted. That if you want, help me out real quick. Um,
But if
I
you want to
wanna
lower this there and then go over it from up there, then
I wanna lower it in a grid pattern here. So I want this to go straight down, all right,
yeah.
to where it's not even possible for the guys digging into the mountain to hit this shit. You know what I mean? So we're
Okay, I
past the
got.
dig line
Where's
significantly.
the explosives?
So hold on, actually, let me take all this shit out that I'm not using right now because I have the explosives.
Well, I'm going to use them eventually. I just bought more.
Yeah, just give me 1 second. Don't start yet. Let me map
We
out.
should start. We should start in front of it. That's actually like a
Like,
better idea.
hold on, hold on, hold on. That's the dig one, ish.
Oh, that's where they're digging. Okay,
All inside of that.
I'm gonna do this much cleaner than last time I did it.
No, hold on. Because like I wanted to go a certain route. No, I wanted to go grid.
Yeah, we'll start the grid at the bottom of this, right?
But do you understand what I mean by grid? Like a square?
You want to go straight down and then over.
Yes, but I want to go significantly deeper than that one. in this one.
Oh, you want to go deeper than that one in the grid?
Yes,
Okay.
because I want it to be completely out of the way. So
You know
let
what?
me.
Here's what we'll do. All right, one sec. Just to make it neater, one sec. Do you have a whole bunch of 4 downs?
What? No, I
To
don't
make
have.
it neater, what I want to do is when you put a block, you place the explosive on the block and then you detonate it. Like detonate that. I don't have the detonator on here. Just to, because it won't be so fucking off as last time. Where's the fucking conveyors I don't have? I barely ever use these. That's why I don't have many of them.
My plan is
Do you
literally
want
just to blast this thing the fuck out of the mountain, and as steep as we could get it.
to left turn? I'm gonna need a bunch more left turns. Or are we gonna go right?
No, we'll go left. I don't care if
Here,
it's
just keep hitting the explosion button.
Alright. Oh, shit.
Oh, keep hitting the explosion button. There we go. Just keep hitting it. How much more? Actually, here, I'll hit the button. You just keep placing explosives. How's that?
Keep going. Keep going. You're in the hole.
I can't see what I'm doing anymore. I just placed a whole bunch. Is that good? Or you want to go deeper?
Hold on. We have to go way deeper. Alright, enough.
Jesus. This works a little too good. Sorry, I just want to detonate the rest of the unexploded ordnance.
So, we're at here. You're below that.
We need to make it a little
how
wider
deep
as we
would
go
you
down.
say you are right now?
I would say I am closer to 50 meters.
Alright. So here's how we're gonna measure this. Take block. Put a block tower right up the center.
One sec. I'm just removing the extra from my stack of 100 here. I'm gonna put a stack of 100 on here, and then we'll put one. Fuck you, building system, you piece of shit.
Yeah, system is so shit.
Yeah, I fell off my tower. Like, you can't build straight down, which is the biggest problem I have with this fucking building system. Alright, you know what? We're gonna have a tower that's gonna have fucking
Alright, so we are
climbability.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're 8 from ground. Maybe 7. I added one extra. And that's the bottom of the whole thing.
So 82 plus 3?
What?
So I'm 15 down.
Sweet.
So that means I'm 30 meters down.
Sweet. So as long as we're below the 8 line, we're good.
So that's supposed to be a left, and then
Down 4.
fucking,
Actually,
I just gotta find my down fours. I keep moving the wrong block off my toolbar.
no, they're all the downs are gonna have to be in the same area.
So you're thinking left, 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 down, left, 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 down.
No, left, down. Left, down. Yeah. No, you're right. So this should be a down here. I'm just giving you some more room. I'll put it down here. I'll do this spot because it's a little easier because I'm up top.
I can't reach.
Yeah. That's an up. Where's my downs? Put that in the cone slot.
Widen the tunnel a little tiny bit in spots.
Fuck, dude. That's gonna put it into the wall.
Yeah, because it's kind of just here. Do downs on the left and right side and stop trying to do just one down each turn. If not, you're gonna need a lot of downs. You're gonna need at least 15 downs to get past where I'm at. If you don't, the other way you'll need about 7. Do you need just to widen it out a little bit?
Yeah, we're gonna need to.
Well, I'm going to buy more explosives.
I have a shit ton. Keep hitting the
Yeah.
trigger.
Okay.
Yeah. Just keep it like that for right now. Nope.
Amazingly, this tower is not that bad to climb. Oh.
So no, a left and
That's
left,
the-
and then
And then it's down 4.
no, down 6.
Oh, down 6.
Oh wait, go down another one. We have all this room.
Yeah, down
Sweet.
6 then.
Yeah.
Oh, down 4s are way steeper. Yeah, use down 4s. Fuck it.
Down 4s are steeper.
Yeah, because you're
I
going.
think they're less.
One sec. That's a down 6. One sec. Go put that. Put another. Move that. There. Put the same one twice. All right. Are you sure that's steeper? Then.
They're the
'Cause-
same fucking steepness.
Yeah,
are.
they're the same fucking steepness. Yeah, exactly the same.
Just one's less conveyors to go further.
Which is
That's
good.
it. That's what we want.
We're already gonna have to redo the power system for this shit.
Trigger.
What do we got? And then this should be left, 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 down 6, which I think.
It should be, yeah. Left, 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 left. Down a 6 and a 6. And then
I don't need steel floors, and then left, left. We need to go boom, 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 boom. There we go.
left, left. Let me buy more 6s. I'll do the downs, you do the lefts.
You mean you have all the downs and I'll have all the lefts?
Yes. Sadly. Alright, boom, boom.
That's about the right level right there, isn't it?
Yeah, actually. Alright, so start tunneling straight.
All right, run! Oh, you never hit the button. Am I still going straight?
You're going down.
It's hard to see because you're fucking.
You gotta go up.
There you go. Or try now. Keep going.
Not too far up.
I'm in first person view now, so it's not so bad. You just tell me which way I'm going.
Stop. We need to
I'm
go.
going up too much, aren't I?
Yeah, you
Here,
are.
let's just hit a. One of the reasons why I want to put the fucking
Yeah, so we'll just do straight.
explosives.
Yeah.
The reason I
so
want to put
watch,
the
watch.
explosives on the conveyor belts is that if you blast the conveyor belt, it keeps it straight. A whole bunch of straights. Those are 6s, aren't they? Fuck sakes.
I got 8s. I got 8s.
I do too. I just didn't realize I clicked the wrong one. Like I
Blast.
do this and then throw fucking explosives on it until you clean it out. And then just do that and then explosives on it until you clean it out. That's that. Explosives on it until you clean it out. Explosives until you clean it out. I know it's slower, but at least it's straight.
Yeah. I like how we're in rock right now.
This would have been a better depth to put that fucking cutter. Sure, you don't want to just drop the fucking machine down here?
No. We're not doing that.
I need more eights, unless you got more eights.
I have. Alright. You gotta hit the trigger.
I'll just stand here and spam the left click then.
That's what I was doing. Nope. Why is it snap build? Hold on.
It's like a bulldozer. Once you get fucked up, it's really hard to get straight.
Yeah.
How far across are we?
A lot.
Oh, okay. We still got to go a little farther. Yeah, we'll come right up the mountain. We're good. If you walk into the edge, you can just fucking see through and see the
Trigger.
other one.
I'm out of explosives.
This is only a 42 load already. Oh yeah, okay.
We gotta come up.
What do you mean come up? We're gonna be fine.
There you go.
Actually, you know what we should do is start putting 8 ups on.
Eight ups.
Well, just come up out of this hole, right?
No. You'll see. You see. I show you.
Jesus, okay, you Italian bastard. Oh, you're just gonna do that. Okay, nice.
Fuck, we actually should move over a little bit. Oh, unless, wait, is that...
It's lined up perfectly. What are you talking about?
Is this... What conveyor is this?
The one on the top is yours, is the wrong one.
Mm.
The one,
Check this shit out.
yeah, this is the right one.
Check this shit out.
We're not half as confused as we look, is that what you're saying?
It's on.
Alright.
That worked out fucking perfectly.
How much power is required to run that conveyor?
It's already
I
running.
wonder? Yeah, how much power does it take?
Unit load 42, grid loads, conveyor speeds. I don't know.
Oh, you're at 42? Okay. Wait, 42? Oh, that's the maximum load. I'll check when I get here.
That's the unit load. No, 42, just 42. I didn't
Fuck.
see a actual load.
You know that other hole you dug? I like walked over here and I was like, oh fuck. I need to set my
Wait, but why isn't
location.
this on?
Is it connected?
Where wouldn't it be connected?
I don't know. We'll have to figure it out.
This is all fucking connected.
It didn't get blown up, did it? Worst case in action, I could probably make it up to a 10 grand pretty quick.
None of this is connected. No, it's on. This whole path.
Yeah, let me go look. Maybe there's an issue.
All the way to
You
the
have
top.
the...
Oh, fuck.
Let me guess. There's one slightly off tile.
I see why. I see why. I see why. I got it.
How much has to be rebuilt?
Nope, nothing.
Oh, that's cool. I like this tool. Well, that's not really as useful
There
as
you
I
go.
thought it would be.
We're good. Is it on over there?
100%.
Yep, we're good.
On
I
like
had
Donkey Kong.
it was an 8. I had to change it over to a 6 and put the elevator in because the elevator's 2 meters.
Ah,
And then as far as this goes, right? Now we do that what you were saying. The only issue is that I see inch each each pacha. Let me put this to position, right, which is there. That's its new position. No, 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 no. Stop that.
I was just trying to box it in so it's not so dangerous.
I want it to be dangerous, brother. And you know what we fall within? Our area.
Mm.
Nah, I was gonna do something else here.
Well, then do that. That's fine.
I was gonna make it look nicey nice. Instead of just blocks around a hole.
I was gonna actually build a little building. That's what I'd do.
No, I'm just gonna do this. Decoration.
Yeah, and then I think a straight 6 is what I said, and then you put the mega hopper. And then shoot. Right, that looks nice. Doesn't even look half as fucked up as it could. And then all I gotta do is here, do this. I think any closer to the cut is gonna get in the way, isn't it? Is this too close?
I don't even see where the fuck you're at. Yeah,
Down
that's
here at the
way
end.
too close.
How about that? Is that good?
Uh, yeah, it should be fine. So, but that, like, that's the thing. Like,
Fuck these hoppers, I hate them.
these things.
Their problem is that they're only a single on this fucking side. Wait, are they? Wait, can you not stack them together like this? One sec. Throw this dirt in here and then turn this on. Why is there no power? Oh, fuck. Yeah,
I
these aren't gonna work.
think you just blew something.
I think I blew the power grid.
Yep. You 100% did.
Let me go fix that real quick.
None of these are on now.
Yeah. I think we only have 43,000 watts of power we can put out this way.
I put it to 54 down there. No, that's the wrong grid. Put it to 54. I don't know why we keep building the 40s.
Well, I have an interesting idea. Oh, it's because it's running off one coal generator, that's why. So
But
the
if you
bottom, these are running off the
build it
same
with the
grid.
54 pylons,
The 43 is because it's the that's what the generator puts out. Wait, did they actually kill a generator? No, we didn't kill the generator. Is it working now or what's going on?
I have no power up here.
Put yeah, it takes 51 points. So you couldn't even. Oh, it blew a power pole. That's why.
Which one?
So this is it way back here.
What was the power pole? Like, what's the wattage on the power pole?
54.
Mm.
Because I built this factory with 54s over here. One sec, I have an idea. I'm gonna try my little fucking experiment to be glitchy. And let's build. I already own them. Where are they at? There we go. In. And then power lines. Remove cables. Oh, I might have to move that power plant just a little bit. Can I reach with this one? Yeah, I can. Alright, well, fucking, that's the power plant for this now.
Mic off.
Oh, it's 5,555. In other words, it would be impossible to run this if I didn't just do the little glitchy thing I did. So you should be able to run that at
Mic on.
84. You should be able to run that at 84 kilowatts before you run into an issue. $84,000 kilowatts.
Why? Because you put a bunch of the straights in?
I straight piped it off 2 coal generators. And now it's already over capacity for a single power line.
So
The only
can
way
we
to make
put
it
the dual
cheaper.
hoppers in or no?
Yeah, we should be able to. We can go up to 48 or 8,400. And worst case scenario, all those power generators can power this line. I'm still wondering if they're going to work, though, without glitching out.
Well, that's what we're gonna have to figure out. Oh, you already bought them. What the fuck am I buying them for?
Well, those are the ones I had. Now we're up to 6,000, almost. My problem is there's only one input terminal on this. Are you going to be able to hit this, or is this going to be...
I'm gonna take this last one out.
Like, are you going to be able to hit these, or is this going to be too small?
Yeah, I could probably hit them.
Oh, shit, this 6 is gone. Or,
So then it's an up and a shoot.
yeah.
Wait, hold on. Oh, hold on. No.
No what?
I think if... Why is this a 6 here?
Because if you put the ramp up, it fits perfectly. A ramp 8, if you put this one here, it fits perfectly. Oh, good idea.
Hold on.
All right.
I'm sitting here, I'm looking at it, I'm like... Huh.
Put a 2. No, a 4.
No,
It
it's
needs
a
to
2.
be a
It's a
4.
2.
That's 2. Okay, yeah, do you got a 2?
I could get one. Hold on.
I might have a 2.
I have one.
I do have 2.
Oh, you have one.
And then big hopper.
Yeah. Oh, well, nope, it was a 4. No, it was a 2. It was a 2. It was a 2. Stupid move.
Yeah, because all you gotta do is put a hopper in there.
No, cause I didn't remember. Put the elevator in.
Oh, I must have got it from you. There we go.
And then that goes there. That lessens our space.
I don't know. Hopefully that works. Yeah, these consume 84. They consume twice the power the other ones do.
Yeah, but the biggest thing is that we're going from, let's see, 60 meters a second. I'm sorry, from 30 meters a second to 60 meters a second.
It's actually
Which could
from
be
6 to
huge.
600 meters a second because of the 10x.
Yeah.
You can't stack 10x's, can you?
I don't think so.
Like that doesn't help that at all. Nope. So and if you put this
Sorry.
here, can you get power off of that? I mean, not that, but this. If I put this here,
And then as we progress these forward, in reality, all we have to do is move the hoppers up and put a second conveyor going backwards.
oh wait, I forgot to turn it on. What the fuck?
But
Do you not see how I just did that?
yeah, you connected the two.
Yeah, but it passed power from this line to that line. Do you know what that means?
Mm.
We can use power plants to. We can use these conveyors to push like stupid amounts of power around the base. It's crazy.
Yeah. What's up with this? Well, that's for the 10x.
But this is not push shit out the middle. Oh, I had to consume.
Let's find out.
I just threw a bunch of dirt in to see what happens. We're gonna find out in a big way, aren't we?
Yep.
It looks like I'm hopping one of these buckets. Nope. You're not really hitting anything.
No, I am. I
Your
just gotta
conveyor is
get
not
it.
quite right.
Yeah.
There we go. Close enough.
Believe me, I'm gonna be hitting a lot here.
I almost guarantee you can dig that up to the nut and probably go.
No, when I swipe, it's gonna be a lot.
Sucks that only half of it's pay dirt. Oh no, that's all pay dirt.
This is all pay. Only the top quarter is
Yeah.
dirt. And then
So
even
this
then, I've been thinking about whoever's running this needs to have at minimal mechanic so that they can blast out the top dirt and they don't have to fucking deal with moving the shovel up. Not that it takes long. Unless we pre-pop the whole fucking hill.
does it actually have to move or does it just have to be touched?
What?
I'm wondering if you blasted it with like RDX, if it would still count as being blasted.
I don't understand what you're asking.
All right. So when we were I was watching the video and the guy was talking
A boot.
about how the
Dude,
mechanic
I'm doing
works
a
for the
big
grass.
fucking cut.
And apparently what it's supposed to do is it doesn't cache the values until you start digging. And I'm wondering if you just hit it with like RDX has an 8-meter cone on it. I'm wondering if you just RDX'd everything, if it would count as exploded.
I may be a little too fucking close here. Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna push through.
Like I'm just wondering if this explosion, which probably will do like barely anything to the surface, counts the same as nuking it. You know what I mean?
I don't know.
Because that did a lot of damage to just take
Wow,
the
that's
grass
a
off.
lot of damage.
Actually, I just gotta take the grass off, right?
Yeah. But I'm thinking in my head, yeah, whoever's running this, right, does this cut. Now, if you look, there's like an overlip from the bucket.
Yeah.
They could go hop out after like 2 cuts and just blast that off.
Oh, that fucking caused a lot of lag. I don't know. When I was using the other one, I just did a very shallow cut on the grass first.
I mean, what I've been doing is literally I do this. I do a pass down center,
Yeah.
and then I'll show you.
Sucks that simplified geometry is a thing. I hate that. It almost be much better if this. I guess it's the fuck game is kind of glitchy, so it
And
being on the ground means it
then
would be even glitchier.
I come up, and then I do a pass up top.
Mm-hmm. It's good if we trust the person with mechanic.
Yeah,
Worst case scenario, we could just stick that thing full of explosives in the detonator.
that's true. We could do that.
What explosive do we give them?
Dannerite.
For some reason, Denrite doesn't want to stick to the ground.
Oh, you gotta blast it from the bottom.
I think we should give him RDX. Because watch this. Like RDX doesn't delete.
All right.
Not to mention it has an 8-meter range on it.
Yeah, but
I
leaves
don't know.
one hell of a fucking mess.
You'll get that in your next pass. Doesn't reach.
Or we just make them do what I'm doing now. You have them do this.
Just fine. Ugh,
It's
whatever.
not too bad.
I'm gonna use some Danrite to clean up some of these fucking high mounds.
You just want to blow shit up. Don't lie to me.
All right. Where's the bully at then? I see somebody else went through and fixed your sloppy mess you made.
What sloppy mess? I do
Over
nothing.
here, yeah.
I ain't do nothing.
Oh no, that's still there. Never mind.
That's you.
What was it, me? I was over there in the hole.
That was you. I seen it. I seen it with my own 2 eyes.
Cause you're weird and smell funny.
because they're Canadian. Yeah, this is working beautiful. Do this last pass. Gotta get a load in the fucking hoppers. See how long it takes for that to empty.
I'm so tempted to make a macro to keep the fucking bulldozer blade level.
Cheating.
Jesus, I gotta stop drinking Monster Energy drinks. Every time I turn around, I need to piss super bad.
So it says 195 million cubic meters. It's moving 600 meters a second.
I just know the cat's up to something. I don't know what she's doing, but she's up to something.
Hmm.
Controls, keyboard.
There's no way that that dirt hasn't hit here yet, right?
Hit where? The factory?
Mm-hmm.
It's been running through the factory for an hour now, hasn't it?
Oh, I'm at the wrong fucking plant. Stupid. There.
I wish there was a wooden gun we can carry around in this game, just so I could be like more normal with the first-person perspective.
Jesus fuck.
What is in there?
Let me tally it for you. There is currently in there 44,000 gold. 16,000 diamond ore. 34,000 ruby. 7 aluminum. 8,000 silicone. 96 steel. 8 lithium. 4 copper. And 2 silver. Also, paint your building. You dumb.
I didn't finish building the roof too.
I'm about to paint some of your building.
I figured you said that. I don't know what color to paint. I was gonna ask ChatGPT what it thinks.
Well,
I'm gonna build windows while you're doing that.
yeah, I'm just doing the what we were talking about, how it's gonna be color coded.
Yeah, just do that then.
I'm just getting that going, so it kind of matches the vibe.
Another reason why I wish there was fucking signs in this game.
Me too. That's if they had signs, we wouldn't have a color code system. But there ain't no fucking
No,
signs.
I'd
But
do both. It's just cool to have signs.
I wouldn't. I'd do the one or the other.
Oh, did you get a bunch of steel too?
A little bit of it.
Yeah.
Fuck, wrong color.
I threw some iron into the fucking deposit and the hopper to see what would happen.
Boop. Boop. You're just keeping it as a flat roof in this thing?
I was thinking about it. I'm gonna remove those windmills too.
Yeah, I can help you with that if you would like.
So if you come back here, the power grid is like, see what I mean by it's less of a rat's nest in here?
Yeah. And in there, this area that you just opened up in here,
Yeah.
we could use this to test out shit. Like
Oh, we've
right back
already.
here.
Yeah. Honestly, I've been debating about hooking all these power grids together.
What's up with this hopper here?
It's just my storage.
Why
I've
don't
been
you
using that as
just...
my storage. No, I mean it's for like tools and RDX and shit. I don't need my
Yeah.
inventory. Yeah. No, I was built ripping the factory down and I needed a spot to put things.
Mm-hmm.
I want to hide a box somewhere anyway someday.
It's right here.
Don't worry about it. I'll get it. I'll clean that out in a minute.
Nah, I put a box right here just for...
I got tired of people selling the fucking front shovel every time I turn around.
So you're hiding it?
So, yeah.
You fucking twat.
Fuck.
I'm taking
They
it
sold
out.
3 of them. They sold 3 of them so far, for fuck's sakes. The fucking idiots.
Yeah, I know.
It fucking pisses me off.
But don't hide equipment, because then I'm going to go and buy... And, like, that's what pisses me off about hiding equipment. Because then I'm going to go buy another one, and that's 1.8 million that we just spent.
Yeah, I'm gonna paint it purple so that people know.
Yeah, go ahead.
That's size. Please don't delete that.
We bought a cable bucket earlier. Yesterday.
Yeah. I want to go play with that.
It's fun.
Because apparently it's a pain in the ass because you have to like drop it down.
No,
You
it's
know what?
easy as fuck, dude.
I want to put a door right here. Just for... Oh, do you have those stairs on you anymore?
What stairs?
Like the ones you put in the
No,
other building? How did
no.
you do that? Is there actually a stair thing?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Awesome. Put that right here. Little concrete pad to stand on. Oh, I can't build a concrete pad to stand on. That's fine. Kind of a rat's nest there anyway.
I don't like that you're missing the window, but whatever.
I'm working on it, replacing it.
Oh, fuck. Just broke your wall.
Yeah, I done that same thing. I just can't find doors for some reason. Oh, there they go. Where's the window missing?
No, I just fixed it.
Okay. Yeah,
No,
I just put
like
those
you're
windows.
missing a column of windows, and it's because it's not
Yeah.
evenly built.
No, I'm thinking about putting all these power plants together onto the same power line. Because then I'll have a capacity of like 1600 and 1680 or 16,800 on the power line. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'm just not sure how I'm gonna fucking do it. Because I don't think all these will reach. I'm gonna put a merger right here. Oh, what happened? Where's my power switch go? The fuck did I do? I usually put a power switch next to the door.
Cause you see, I see, what they meant to be.
The fuck is the
Fucking
power not off?
beep, beep, beep.
How come it's still moving? What the flying fuck nuggets? Or is that just being glitchy? Like, I'm not crazy. I shut the power off, right? Like, this stuff stopped moving.
Yeah, put a roof on this fucking thing.
Yeah, working on it. I have to finish it first. I just got pulled off this project and did another project. That's all that happened. I need 2 more of those. Actually. I don't think I need that many, but that's fine. We're gonna make this cleaner.
There you go. That's all
Fuck.
done.
Let me go back in the building. Do 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 do. Fuck! I can't open the door.
I opened it.
Need to find a spot to provide power to the outside world. I'm just gonna build a spot.
What'd you blow
I
up?
heard something explode.
You blew something up.
I think I blew all the power boxes off of this net. Good.
Nice. You jackass.
Well, they don't need them anymore. This grid's now pushing 12,000 watts through it.
It takes us approximately 15 minutes to clear the conveyors.
I hope there's a coal deposit coming up.
You hear me?
Yeah. Yeah, we have 16,800 watts of power capacity here.
Okay. Let's see if there is a coal one coming up. Per maybe.
I do the roof now.
The rough.
Roof, the rough, the reefy, the rapper,
Bombaclat.
the bob clapper. Where's that fucking steel at? That fucking staircase I just found.
Oh, fuck.
That's not gonna work. I thought it was farther away from the fucking.
Mic off.
Ah, changed my mind again. Ba-da-da-da-da-da.
Mic on.
It is time for me to get a drink.
How's your shoulder feeling?
Hurting.
So you slept on that motherfucker. I was thinking tonight you should stick a broomstick through your shirt before you go to sleep.
I should take a what?
A broomstick into your shirt so you can't roll over.
I usually sleep on my back. Last night I passed out like half on the fucking pillow, half not. So it was weird.
Are you actually in enough pain that you have to pass out in order to sleep at night?
Mm-hmm.
Poor bugger.
I'm alright.
Fucking Christ! Ah, yeah. Fuck you, fucking block, you piece of shit. I'm guessing you decided this building's gonna be black.
No. It's just the corners.
I was gonna say, I'm not really prepared to deal with all the bullet holes.
That's fucked. Streaming, remember.
I'm sorry. Ugh. I need to start streaming so I can get myself kicked off.
Making nachos. I was sitting here trying to decide, what am I in the mood to eat? Nachos.
Yeah, nachos are always a good option. That's why I like going to. We got a place called Quesada here. And you can go to kind of like a Subway, only they make tacos and nachos and stuff like that. Wouldn't be surprised if it's owned by the same people, but they do an okay job.
Chipotle.
I'll give you a Chipotle. Chipotle's here. Chipotle.
Chipotle is literally Subway, but tacos.
Honestly, you can go anywhere but Subway. You're better off.
I like Subway sometimes.
I
don't eat the
I
meat,
don't know.
though.
I don't know if it's Canada's Subway or what, but like they have gone down the tube.
I do not eat the meat from Subway, though. Doesn't sound weird? I do like a veggie sub. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I just didn't eat it since I looked at their pickles one day and there was so much salt in it that it looked like there was like actual like there was salt in the pickles. It wasn't like dissolved all the way.
Hmm.
It had so much salt in it.
That's what pickling kind of is, isn't it?
No, but normally it's not to the point where like the salt is like recrystallizing.
Yeah. Where the hell is everybody at?
Don't know. Me and you
Oh,
usually get on earlier than everyone else does. They usually get on like 7 o'clock ish. I do not know what the size of this room is. That is. That did not go very far. It's always been the big pain in the butt is when you're like, I've been trying to like guesstimate how many blocks I need for things, and I'll like buy like, oh, I'll buy like 80 of those,
yeah.
and then like I need to do that like 7 times. Kind of like when I was on Satisfactory and I was trying to build a giant pad to work on, and I didn't make nearly enough freaking pads.
That happened.
No, it's just I had to go back and make a whole shitload more. I need it. I made like 100. I need it like 500 or like 600 and some. There you go. There you go. And then some other nice things in here. Alrighty then. Some of this shit. By the way, if you're thinking about buying a conveyor analyzer, they are absolute garbage.
What's up?
The conveyor analyzer just tells you what the lights on the side of the damn thing says. They don't really help you at all.
That's a fair point. You know, I've had one in my inventory. I don't know why.
It does nothing. I thought it might tell me like the voltage and like I mean how much current it needs to like run or anything like that. No, it doesn't tell you none of that.
It should, right?
It should tell me more info than, like what capacity the line's running at, Should it be more of a readout, but I guess not. You should be able to get in the office chair.
Yeah. I just use Chipotle chips to what's it called? To make nachos. They're so
Oh
good.
yeah, sounds amazing.
Now they have like they put lime and salt on the chips. So that with sharp cheddar cheese. So good. should be my grid right there.
I spent longer decorating my office than I did painting.
It does not surprise me.
They need to have like site trailers and stuff you can go in and sit down.
Huh?
They just need to have site trailers in this game.
Site trailers?
Yeah.
See, but I wish like having shit like that gave you like a booster. You know what I mean?
More productive. More productive.
No, like if you had like a site trailer in a location, it would improve,
Like
I don't know, conveyor speed.
that's blue, right? That you use for the corners of the building.
It's blue, yeah.
Yeah.
Make it look nice.
No, I'm just making the top match the bottom.
What do you mean?
So you want to put my office in, I want to paint the same my four corners of the office blue as well.
Mm.
That way there. It
Chris is
looks
supposed to build us a hangout.
he can, I don't care.
No, he's supposed to. That's all I'm saying.
Let's change the fact I'm gonna build this building the way I did. Oops, that's supposed to be black.
It's gray, not black.
Eh. It looks black to me.
It's gray.
It's ever so slightly different color.
Mm-hmm. But it's noticeable.
Yeah. Not noticeable when you haven't seen when you're not looking at the other color directly. If you have comparisons, then it is different. I like it a little better. It's a little less dark. You can actually see the wall when you're looking at it, and it's not just like I'm gonna turn my flashlight on. I believe you took all my staging off that I was gonna use for painting. Bastard.
What's that?
Can't believe you took my staging off.
What do you mean?
I left staging on the wall so I could build, I could paint.
Oh, yeah.
You went and ripped it all off the other day.
You haven't painted in 3 fucking days. Put it back up when you're ready to paint.
I've built 4 different buildings while I was doing this.
Where do we have 4 different buildings?
Well, you know what I mean.
You built a plant.
Built another plant that you guys decorated. Left my poor ass to fucking decorate my own plant.
Hey, you put that on you, Ricky Bobby. I said I was gonna do it.
I didn't know how big it needed to be before I started working.
Hmm?
I didn't know how big this building had to be.
Yeah, and you fucked up our measurements, too.
I did.
Sorry, I played out well.
How did I fuck up the measurements?
You told me 30 by 34. I let you count. Never again. Canadians.
What did I count? What did I count?
You counted your plant, so we could build our
Yeah.
plant.
Yeah, and how did I fuck the measurements up?
Yep, you made it too big.
No, we added 3 to each. We added 3 to every direction.
Dude,
And then you guys added 3.
We are significantly bigger than what we needed. Significantly. That's not adding 3. That's adding 10.
What? Another thing too is that the entire plant is basically on the wall and not actually on the floor.
Yeah.
God damn it! I keep dyeing these. Actually, dyeing these are actually nice because they look less fucking messy here. You know, I'm gonna dye all the conveyor lines for the for this. What color should I dye them?
For what?
So that you don't fuck up which conveyor line's which again.
I didn't fuck up nothing.
No, but you were looking at it and you didn't know which one you were looking at.
I don't know what building you're talking about.
For the bagger plant.
Oh, just mark what bagger it is. Like, mark them two different colors.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And the red ones will be connected to the regular place. I'm just gonna make them black so they
Oh,
disappear into
yeah.
the
Thank
background.
you for reminding me. I had to go do that. I'm gonna go mark, the two different recircs. So that they're separated from, like, visually separated in this system.
It's kind of irritating that the other bagger is off grid, and I don't know how I did it.
I wish there was a compass on this. Like, not a compass, but, um, arm directional compass. And, like, the bottom of your screen or something that tells you where your arm is
I like
related to
the
the
UI that
chassis.
they have for the bulldozer.
No. Well,
Well, no,
yes.
the UI,
Yeah, but
yeah,
like a
only
circle.
only more straight for that thing.
If you ever been in a tank or played a tank game, usually as the hull of the tank and then where the turns turned in reference.
Yeah.
And this doesn't have that.
To be fair, a lot of excavators you hop in, they won't tell you what the fuck way you're looking. At least the deer one I was playing in. I can't wait. I don't know. I still don't know if I want to learn how to use the rubber tire excavator. I think it's fucking terrifying. Some people don't like it because apparently it's the controls are electric. God damn it. I found another exploded power pole in here.
Nice.
I blew so many of them up when I switched the power system over. I don't even think you can connect anything to this power system without them blowing up.
Dude, we should run both baggers at the same time.
We could. I just they're not gonna get any more material for the plant faster.
No, but it's just gonna overload the fucking plant so bad. We'll be full for like 9 years.
Not really.
If
I
we
think
can do
under an
both
hour
of
and
them,
everything will be dealt with.
honestly, if we ran both of them, I think the plant would be able to process everything in like an hour or two.
So I mean, I think regardless of how much we put in there, but an hour it's going to be back to normal.
Uh, I would say if we ran both, because it takes like right now, it takes like I would say almost an hour to get one.
I don't think those numbers are correct.
What?
Where it says how many meters per second it puts through. I don't think it's correct
Why?
because the math doesn't check out. Because you'll put, like I did the math earlier. What did I do? I calculated. Oh, one sec. Calculator. So 3,000 or 300 times 60, which would be 18,000 per second, and then times that by 60 again. So it should only be able to do 1 million cubic meters an hour if it was transporting correctly. But as you've seen, it will do hundreds of millions of cubic meters pretty fucking fast.
Yeah, well, that's depending.
Depending on what?
It's depending on how much we load into it. And this new setup, it took us 15. The other setup, it took us 30 minutes to empty.
The other setup used to put like 100 million into it pretty quick. I don't know. When I was running it, like I was running it to the point where I had to have side rails.
Side rails on what?
So that thing wouldn't spin around while I was working.
I mean, that's kind of like what I'm doing right now. I'm like literally knuckle deep into the fucking thing.
Yeah. But aren't you noticing like your fucking that thing might be heavy enough that it's not doing it, but mine was spinning around.
No, this thing's just chugging along.
And I don't think you want to distract me right now. I'm actually painting the building for once. But that's another thing that happens. I'll start painting, and the next thing someone will be like, "Come over here, Psycho."
Yeah.
We just agree it's not all my fault. I'm gonna go in the other plant and clean that up a little bit as well. I had a few epiphanies last night. It's such a pain in the ass cutting the outside of this building.
This is definitely not how you operate a bagger. But it's how I'm operating this
No,
fucking bagger.
you're going for bulk, eh?
Huh?
You're going to bulk that shit out as fast as possible.
Yeah. Fuck it, I'm just gonna keep doing it this way.
I like the new method of tunneling that pipe better than building that concrete slab there.
What are you talking about?
The concrete bridge that I put on this side over the conveyor. I don't like that as much. It looks more probably the way they would do it, but Need more gray paint. That would be the challenge I want to see someone do. Use the grading bucket.
Yeah, we put it in the training area so someone could fuck with it if they wanted.
Oh, the grading bucket?
Yeah.
Was there actually a training area? You know, if I don't draw attention to this, maybe no one will ever notice. Oh,
What'd you
shit.
do?
Oh, I'm not telling you. I know when I built my office up top, I just built it kind of like what I expected building code to tell me to do. I'm like, there's a door here, so there should be a wall on the other side of it to support it. I like the way it turned out.
So
Same
what'd
way
you
you had
do?
to build in Space Engineer. I built the wall. Oh,
Oh, this?
the little building on top.
No. You were like, oh, if I don't say something, no one will notice.
What did you notice?
This? The blown fucking pole right here?
Yeah, there's a couple of those. uh,
Is that what you were saying?
I don't know. That could be what it was. I told you I'm not going to tell nobody. There's another blown pole here too.
Yeah, there's a couple there.
They all blew up.
No shit.
Wait, come here.
What?
You see over here? There's the coal power plants are all just like I piped them in this way.
Mm. I'm so confused to where that other box is coming from.
What other box? Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, I don't fucking know. That does it a lot. How much shit's in here already? Holy shit!
What's in there?
Holy shit!
Nothing?
There's like 3 stacks of gold in there. Oh, that's so much fucking money. It's gonna be a couple millions for sure.
Yeah. Just gonna let it keep going.
The hardest part is gonna be painting the top, bro. I'm just gonna be very careful and walk along the edge, I think.
That works.
What do you think of my office?
Not even go up there.
You bastard.
I don't care.
Make you sit in the fucking metal chair.
Oh man, I'm just trying to mine.
Who do we think is gonna come on first?
Probably Chris.
Chris is the guy that does cybersecurity, isn't he?
Yeah.
And Tom is the cheese guy.
Yes. No. Tom's minor. He works fleet service for a mine. Ryan is the cheese guy.
Delicious.
G's the shit sucker.
Yeah, he just like slips up all our bullshit all the time.
Hmm?
Oh no, you mean that? Fuck, I know what she does. Me and G abandoned Reggie at the same time.
Yeah.
To be fair, it didn't matter what server G was going to. I was probably gonna follow him.
Yeah, me and him were talking yesterday about everything. Just like I got him caught up to grade with what was going on. And yeah, that was really it.
I think I like this server for the fact that, like, realistically, the only thing that was here before I got here was the pad down below.
Yeah. You got to build it.
Yeah. Not to mention we're not driving like 2 fucking kilometers for something stupid. Reggie just needs to go play on a solo server for a bit and play on his bulldozer. He just legs everyone out.
Yeah. They're just good people, though. I
No,
like
he's not
Reggie.
bad. It's just, ugh. I just don't think we should be running bulldozers too often when we have like 6 to 7 people on here.
Yeah, no, I get it. The only thing is when, it needs to get done, it needs to get done. I get that.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not the whole time.
Part of the reason why I didn't build this wall the other day is that someone was fucking bulldozing. It took so many. I had to do a lot of jumping to paint. I only have a couple more to go and I'll be done. I painted that from the outside. I'm both happy and sad that you have the colors are the same inside as out. It'd be
What do you
cool to be
mean?
able to paint both sides of the wall something different, but not necessarily required in this game.
Yeah, you would just have to, oh, hold on, my uncle's calling me.
Mic off.
Uh, there we go. God damn it. Gonna have to provide more power to that someday.
Mic on.
I'm back.
Yo.
Sorry about that.
Mm.
Someone was joining and then they didn't, and then they joined again. And then they
I
didn't.
didn't even see them.
Huh?
I didn't even see that.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I was talking to my uncle about. I'm probably going to be taking somebody to court here soon. He hasn't fucking paid up. I did snow removal for him, and it's been a month and a half, and he hasn't paid. So now the plan is to take him to court.
Yeah. Oh, that is a fucking pain in the ass.
Yeah. Instead of just paying me the $700 for the one day, and then the $2,000 for the next, he hasn't paid me shit.
Yeah, I feel that one.
I'm actually gonna wind up calling him here again. I'm gonna attempt to call him. So I called him this. I called him this morning. Right. I called him yesterday. I called him today too. I'm gonna call him again. See if he answers now. And if he doesn't answer, I'm gonna start looking into the claims. And see what it's gonna entail if I have to pay a fee, and then go from there.
Was it considered employment or is it considered a
Mic off.
contract?
Mic on.
Subcontract.
Mic
Yeah, I don't
off.
know. Dinner's ready. I'm gonna fall in this hole. I know it. I'll be back. Fuck, I almost need to smoke a joint to eat this much food, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh. Put the engine off on my machine.
Mic
I
on.
just had a light bulb go off. Also, can you pull my stream up, by the way? Like, on your monitor?
Suck here.
Oh, dude, I just had the biggest light bulb ever.
You're not streaming.
I am. No, YouTube. Twitch. That one.
I don't have any of those.
You've YouTube.
He-
Just go in as a guest. Ugh. Just make sure it looks good for me.
Ooh.
But I just had the biggest fucking light bulb ever with this guy. I just called the guy he works for.
Yeah, the guy he works for.
The guy he works for, I'm pretty not close with him, but I did some work from him, and we're very mutual, very cordial together. If he ever needs work, he knows I drop everything, I go work for him. You know what I mean? Especially when it comes to like snow removal and shit like that, I take care of him. So I just called him up, and I was like, hey, can you give Mike a call for me? He goes, yeah, what about? I'm like, this guy hasn't paid me. I was like, he owes me $2,700. It's not a little amount, man. Like that's good money that I'm missing out on now. So he's calling him and seeing what's up.
Mm.
And I told him, I was like, listen, man, if this doesn't get settled, I'm gonna go to court. The litigator, what's up, man? Thank you, I appreciate it. He goes, you suck. That's right. Oh, it's you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Motherfucker. I zoned out. It just popped up. But yeah, so I told him, like, hey, listen, if it doesn't get settled, I'm taking him to court. And, now what's going to happen is he's going to go tell him, like, hey, listen, you got to pay this guy. He's going to take you to court. And maybe that will kind of put some pep in his step.
Oh, that would make him decide he can fight it.
Yeah, which, I mean, how do you fight me working for you? I literally have text screenshots of everything. How much
People
he owes
forget nowadays.
me, how much fucking when I worked. I have pictures from when I was working at the beginning and end of shift and middle of shift.
So I like the company I work with now because I get paid way more than I work.
Yeah.
At one point, I'd show up at 9 o'clock, and then we left before 4 o'clock, and I was getting paid from 7 to 5 o'clock.
Yeah, but that's because it's what's it called?
Well, it's because we couldn't start working where we were until 9 o'clock
Well, and
because
what
fucking
prevailing
security
wage?
wasn't there. Yeah.
Is it
Not to mention-
prevailing wage or government contract?
I work for a subcontractor.
But is that subcontractor government contracted?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why.
Yeah.
So no matter what, whether you're the contractor or subcontractor, if you're government contracted, you have or working on a government contract, you get paid either A, prevailing wage, or B, you get set hours. So from this time to this time, you will be paid on this day, right? And then what happens is that once they, like, let's say you work past that, they just add that as overpay.
Another thing that helps it is that every time I do a contract in there, and if it will cost X amount to do outside, it costs 3 times the amount.
Yeah, well, it's government fucking
So we charge 3 times the amount. Now it's because of the nuclear and the everything else.
Well, I'm saying everything that the government does costs 3 times the amount. That's how you launder money. Because then, like, alright, so, prime example, a toilet in the military, the U.S. government, I think it costs $15,000 for a toilet.
It's stupid.
The reason being is because so back in the day, you used to use that over expenditure would go into dark ops, like dark
Yeah.
operations, shit that like you can't put on a ticket. And the government straight up said it, and everybody's like, "Oh, okay." And they're like, "Wait, why did we fucking shoot this guy?" That's what you paid for, dude.
That hammer was probably going to a black agent. That money for that hammer was going to a black agent who was just gonna shoot this president or something.
That's what.
News reporter. Mm.
But fuck, man, where the
I got a
fuck
hammer.
is everybody?
Oh damn! I'm gonna back this truck up and start dragging from up there. I think.
I wouldn't mind if you started digging here. It would be nice. Actually, let me clean this up a little bit. I've been doing that a lot. Instead of hitting that metal deposit.
I've made this thing quite fast. So I'm just trying to clean it up.
No, I haven't been over here in forever.
I made a little bit of a mess. So I was gonna clean it up.
Hey, buddy. You know how we built that conveyor?
Oh.
Should we do the same thing over here? Oh, if you notice, I rounded out your shit more.
That conveyor needs to be tore down.
Why?
It's off grid. So, one sec. B.
I mean,
So
it's working
see
now.
that?
Yeah,
That's on
that's
grid.
It's fine for now.
Yeah, I kind of hate it. I don't know how I built it off grid or why I built it. I think it was because I built it on Snap
Mm.
and I didn't even start on grid. I just put it where it needs to be.
I mean, it's fine for now.
Yep.
I will say that at some point we'll tear it apart, rebuild it. Why don't you try that cable truck out? You could run that right down here. That'd be kind of cool.
Right down there?
Yeah. Why not?
I was going to use the push shovel no matter what I did.
Oh yeah, the front. Yeah, exactly. I'm sorry, I didn't know we had one because someone was fucking hiding it.
Wait, this thing has like no... What the fuck? What the... I only hit it because like fucking 30 people deleted everything. Almost every time I turn around.
Yeah, I think it's cool to run. We gotta get some dozers in here at some point. Our ramp got taken out.
Yeah, fuck this thing.
You don't like it?
Oh fuck, I hate that thing.
I like it. It's fucking easy.
I think the other one's easier. Is that a metal node or a coal node over here these guys were digging?
Where?
Coal node. Oh, I'm not even in gear. No wonder this thing's taking fucking so
Mic
long to move
off.
out of here. Really? Really, bro? You gonna do that to me? Just spawn it there so that fucking can't flip over again.
Mic on.
Ugh, fuck, man. I'm trying to figure some shit out right now.
Take your time. Do your thing.
Be right back.
You need to shut the
Mic
game
off.
off. Just tell me. There you go. Fucking the hydraulics itself forgot what it was doing. Why won't the hydraulics go the other direction? So I'm not retarded. It's the fucking push shovel that's the problem.
Mic on.
Ugh. We've been only playing for like 3.5 hours, by the way.
Yep. I'm gonna take a bulldozer and fix my mistake over here in a minute. Missed the truck a couple times. It's on this side, not that side.
In the bag. The what?
Other side I missed the truck on is on this side.
Mm.
That's gotta be getting full anyway.
What?
This truck.
Maybe.
It is full.
Mic off.
Fuck corner this is gonna be to get around. I'm excited with the fact I made a fucking hill. Okay, so how does the creator of this game expect you to use an excavator if you can't drive over even the fucking simplest of rough terrain? Because everything you do with an excavator, it's not going to be perfect. So like you couldn't go dig yourself a shelf to go stand on. You have to get something else in here. I figured out how we're gonna get you more people on your stream. We're gonna send you for breast implants.
Mic on. Mic off.
You down to get a set of boobs? Come on, other people, show up. What am my fucking food, cat, or I'll stab you in the face. Who's down there? It's just you? Come on, you fuck. Oh.
Mic on.
Sorry, I'm trying to figure a bunch of shit out.
Take your time, I don't care. Oh! I'm trying to figure out how to use this thing too. I'm having an issue with it where sometimes it just won't drop its bucket, and it should. Okay. So I'm stuck. It makes no fucking sense how I'm stuck.
What happened?
I said I'm stuck, but it makes no sense how I'm fucking stuck. It's pissing me off about this thing.
Wonder how full these are.
Yeah. But look. See this motion here? You can't.
What's up?
See this motion here?
Yeah.
Right? So, if I go in here, like obviously I know which button this is. Sorry. Go in here. Take a scoop. Now, I want to go backwards. Okay, let's go back. Go in here. Now I'm stuck. Oh wait, now it's coming out. But I have to fight it to get the fuck go down.
Oh, because you tilt up.
Oh, I gotta tilt my bucket more?
No, when you back up a little bit, when it pushes you back a little bit, You're tilted up.
I think it's because I need to operate this more right there, like that. I think that's what it is. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what the fuck is doing it. I think I got it. I just had to bitch about it for a minute.
Also, we're gonna not paint the whole building.
What?
You missed a couple
Where?
on the outside.
Holy shit! Yeah, those ones. I forgot to paint the. I painted the other. I painted the other wall. Alright. This doesn't take long to load this fucking 100, I'll tell you that.
Thinking about upping the second bagger to just a large one, not the huge fucking one.
Just leave it the way it is, it's fine, no? Unless you think this size is just more appropriate for them there.
I'm thinking of just spending fucking money so that you don't have 46 million in the bank.
Oh, can I get one of those, the mining, bulldozer? Or a loader?
Yeah.
So I was sitting here thinking I want to work on the mine, I just not ready for it yet. But I would like to get the tools to start. Actually, how much is all that stuff?
Cheap.
Oh, fuck, that is cheap. Fuck, oh no, I'll just do a sale and I'll buy whatever I need. That, damn, that's nothing. That's so cheap.
We've
Yeah, don't even worry about it.
6 million right now. You can buy whatever the fuck you want.
Oh, fuck, I want to build it. I want to buy a tunneler just to see what it looks like.
Looks like a tunneler.
Yeah.
Also, you don't get to start making that in mind till this fucking actual road is established and a pad's set up.
Yeah, it's gonna work on that. But that pad has nothing to do with the mine.
Yeah, it is. It's
The
right here.
pad down below does, though. I know how to fix it. I just need to dump material on it.
What are you talking about?
That road to get it down there,
Yeah.
it needs shit just poured on it.
No. You high?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You sound high.
What's wrong with that road? Explain to me.
A pad needs to be set up. The end has nowhere to go to.
Yeah, there's not much of a pad there. I don't know why they decided to put the mine there.
I don't know. That's where it's going.
Oh, I didn't even know those existed.
What?
The actual mining dump trucks.
Yeah. I don't even want to watch this take place. This just needs to get padded out down here. And that warehouse needs to get built and completed.
Warehouse is someone else's job.
Yep.
As you've seen, my building prowess is really shitty.
And I'm going to build the plant in here. Not a full plant, but like a storage plant to get transported up. I'm going to have power set up down here, so this is on a separate grid.
I was debating about digging down into the ground and then building like a cavity down there and building a plant down there.
No, we have a building already.
That's a warehouse.
I mean, technically, it's just a fucking building right now.
Yeah, it's nothing to do with the mine.
Yeah.
Except for the mine's close to it.
It's gonna be hooked up to the mine. This is gonna be like 4 different buildings.
Yeah, why does it have anything to do with the mine? I don't understand.
I don't know what you're saying right now, and I don't know if you're fucking with me.
I don't understand what it has to do with the mine, though. That's what I don't get.
What do you mean?
I mean exactly what I mean. Why does it have anything to do with the mine?
That's where the. Oh, yeah, fuck you.
Wait, you want to put all the mine stuff in there?
I don't know if
That's
you're
a-
fucking with me because I hear you laughing every time you say something.
It's because it doesn't make sense. Okay, so you mean to tell me every time you want to take a piece of equipment out of the goddamn mine, you have to run all the way up this road, take a right turn, and then go all the way to its warehouse?
Yeah.
Then that is your legit plan.
Yes.
That is like, oh my god.
Quit being
So
fucking
far.
lazy. Oh my god.
But like, why is the warehouse gonna be so far away?
It's not that fucking far.
My building's closer than that fucking building.
So you mean to tell me every time I want a piece of equipment up there, all the way at the top of the fucking mountain, I have to come down here and get it? Oh my god.
Like, put your fucking truck down here and like drive to the fucking mine. It's the same. It's longer. It'd be easier to go to back to the regular plant. That's what I don't understand.
I hate you. I hate you with a passion.
What? Where is all this mining up here? This doesn't make any sense.
No, it's from the coal vein when we needed coal. So pretty much all this needs to get pushed out and a pad built. Right here.
All of what? This up here?
Down here.
Oh, fuck yeah, that's easy. That's what I was working on.
Nice flat pad here.
I just don't know why we're putting the freaking supply
it's
building
going
on
up
the
there.
moon.
Fucking bastard, dude. Fucking pain in the balls.
This road is still jacked up. Someone tried to fix it for me already.
Yeah, Chris.
Oh, you're saying something about need more material here.
What's up?
You're saying something will need more material here.
You don't need any more material. What?
We do if I want to keep the road correctly.
What?
What is wrong? I don't get it. Like,
You're not making sense.
you need more material to make this fucking road work.
Why?
That's what has to happen. Because
I'm
it's
getting off.
it's gonna make a divot. It's literally just gonna make a divot.
The road's set. The road's right here.
Did it not look like it looks like a frown? Like right here is the bottom half of the frown. It's a frowny face.
Why? Dude, you're fucking that road up. Whatever.
What?
The road's set. The road's fine. Nothing has to be done to the road.
One of the vehicles want to go straight.
Alright, I have more than enough equipment now for tunneling.
That's way too much equipment.
No, we have it. Alright.